Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Gadgets Pod. Today, we've got something super exciting to unbox and set up, the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This little device promises to transform your regular TV into a smart TV, and we're going to see exactly how it works. Alright, let's dive into the unboxing and see what we've got inside. As we open up the box, we're greeted with a neatly packed setup. Everything has its place, which is always a nice touch. Here's the Fire TV Stick. It's sleek and compact, perfect for staying hidden behind your TV. Next up, we've got the USB power cable. This little cable is crucial for keeping your Fire TV stick powered up and ready to stream. Next, we have the star of the show, the Alexa voice remote. This little device is what really sets the Fire TV Stick apart. With this, you can ask Alexa to find your favorite shows, control playback, or even get the latest weather updates, all without lifting a finger. Next up, we've got the HDMI extender cable. This might look like a simple accessory, but it can be a real lifesaver depending on your setup. It gives you a bit more flexibility when connecting your Fire TV Stick. It also includes the Quick Start Guide, your step-by-step companion to getting the Fire TV Stick up and running in no time. Wait a second. Looks like we almost missed something. There's a little hidden compartment here, and inside, we've got a couple more essentials. Here's a pair of AAA batteries for the Alexa voice remote and the power adapter, which we'll be using to keep the Fire TV Stick powered up. Alright, let's get started with the setup. First things first, we'll need to power up our Alexa voice remote using the AAA batteries that came in the package. Simply slide off the back cover. Insert the AAA batteries, making sure the positive and negative ends match the markings inside. Then snap the cover back on. And that's it. The remote is now ready to use. For a smooth setup, connect your Fire TV Stick to the included power adapter and USB cable. This ensures a stable power supply during the crucial initial setup. First, let's connect your Fire TV Stick to the HDMI input port of your TV. Simply insert the Fire TV Stick into an available HDMI port. Once connected, turn on your TV and select the corresponding HDMI input. You should see the Fire TV Stick welcome screen on your TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Alexa voice remote by pressing the home button. This will connect the remote to your Fire TV Stick. Next, select your language from the on-screen menu. Use the remote to navigate and choose your preferred language. Once you've made your selection, press the Select button on the remote to confirm. You can also set up your Fire TV using the Fire TV app by scanning the QR code on the screen, or simply use the remote. Here, we'll choose to set up with the remote. Use the directional buttons to select Set up with remote and press Select to proceed. Next, the Fire TV Stick will prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network. Use the remote to navigate through the available networks. Once you've chosen your network, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. This will connect your Fire TV Stick to the internet. After entering your password, select Connect to proceed. The Fire TV Stick will verify the connection and move on to the next setup step. After connecting to your network, the Fire TV Stick will automatically check for any available updates. If updates are found, it will download and install them for you. All you need to do now is wait patiently. Feel free to grab a coffee or take a short break while the updates install. Once the updates are complete, the Fire TV Stick will be ready to use. Finally, you'll need to connect your Fire TV Stick to your Amazon account. You can do this in one of two ways. Alternatively, if you prefer, use the secret code shown on the screen to log in via the web on your computer. Once you've logged in, the Fire TV Stick will automatically finalize the setup and you'll be ready to start streaming. Once your Fire TV Stick is set up, you can download apps of your preference at any time. Simply go to the App Store from the home screen and browse or search for your favorite apps. Install the apps you want and start enjoying your favorite content right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Gadgets Pod for more tech tips and reviews. Drop any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!